Hey there, welcome back to Dude's Tech, where we break down the top 3 best badminton shuttlecocks to help you choose the perfect match for your game. From durability to flight control, we've got it all covered. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Alpsport ALP 806 Badminton Shuttlecock. The Alpsport ALP 806 Badminton Shuttlecock is designed for players seeking a combination of durability, precision, and consistent performance on the court. Engineered with a compound double-ball head, this shuttlecock provides excellent stability and balance during fast-paced rallies. Its innovative design ensures smoother flight trajectories, allowing players to execute shots with greater accuracy and control. One of the standout features of the ALP 806 is its 145-degree bending resilience, which guarantees that the shuttlecock can endure powerful smashes and aggressive gameplay without breaking or losing its shape. This resilience contributes to a longer lifespan, making it a reliable choice for both practice sessions and competitive matches. Crafted from durable black goose feathers, the ALP 806 delivers a natural feel and superior aerodynamic performance. The high-quality feathers allow for consistent flight speed and direction, while also providing the responsive touch needed for delicate net play and precise drop shots. Each shuttlecock is meticulously constructed to maintain uniform weight and shape, ensuring every hit is predictable and consistent. Whether used in indoor gyms or outdoor courts, the Alpsport ALP 806 maintains its integrity and performance, meeting the demands of amateur and professional players alike. Its combination of thoughtful engineering and premium materials makes it a shuttlecock that enhances both skill development and competitive play. With the Alpsport ALP 806, players experience a shuttlecock that withstands rigorous gameplay while offering the control and stability needed to refine technique, making every match a more dynamic and enjoyable experience. Coming in at number 2, we have the Victor NCS Pro Badminton Shuttlecock. The Victor NCS Pro Badminton Shuttlecock represents a significant advancement in the world of recreational and professional badminton. Designed for players seeking consistency and performance, this shuttlecock combines durability with precise flight characteristics to enhance every game. Each set comes in a tube containing 12 NCS Pro balls, offering reliable endurance that ensures extended use without compromising quality. Crafted with a focus on stability, the NCS Pro Shuttlecock delivers predictable flight patterns, allowing players to refine their technique and maintain control during fast-paced rallies. Its innovative design and materials provide a balanced trajectory, minimizing deviations and enabling smoother smashes, clears, and drop shots. The consistent response of each shuttlecock ensures that players can trust their equipment in both practice sessions and competitive matches. The NCS Pro artificial badminton balls are engineered to meet rigorous standards, providing a professional feel while maintaining long-lasting durability. This makes them suitable for frequent training and tournament play, catering to both beginners looking to improve their skills and seasoned players aiming for precision and reliability. The shuttlecock's endurance means fewer interruptions during gameplay, allowing athletes to focus on strategy and technique rather than equipment performance. Overall, the Victor NCS Pro Badminton Shuttlecock is a versatile and dependable choice for anyone serious about badminton. Its combination of stability, durability, and consistent flight performance makes it a valuable asset for improving game quality, whether on indoor courts or in competitive environments. The meticulous design of the NCS Pro ensures that players experience a seamless blend of control and power, making each match more enjoyable and technically satisfying. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kawasaki King Kong Badminton Shuttlecock. The Kawasaki King Kong Badminton Shuttlecock is engineered to meet the demands of both recreational and competitive players, offering a versatile and high-quality experience on the court. Available in two distinct models, the K500 and Queen 500S, it caters to a variety of play styles, providing options in speed and feather composition to match individual preferences. Each shuttlecock weighs approximately 200 grams, delivering a balanced feel that enhances control and maneuverability, allowing players to execute precise shots with confidence. Crafted from premium Class A goose feather in composite cork, the Kawasaki King Kong Shuttlecock exemplifies durability and consistent flight. The high-quality materials ensure that every hit maintains stability, whether used in indoor training sessions or outdoor recreational games. With a speed rating of 76/77, the shuttlecock is designed for advanced players who seek a combination of precision and power, making it suitable for both competitive matches and practice sessions. Its thoughtful construction supports a smooth trajectory, predictable bounce, and reliable responsiveness, contributing to a more engaging and dynamic playing experience. The Kawasaki King Kong Shuttlecock seamlessly blends material excellence with performance-oriented design, establishing itself as a dependable choice for players who value control, speed, and consistent flight in their badminton game. This product is ideal for those who want to elevate their play, offering a premium feel and performance without compromise. Its versatility and quality make it a noteworthy addition to any badminton enthusiast's equipment collection, ensuring hours of enjoyable and competitive play. And that's the list. If you want the best deals, check the price link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more top product picks and reviews.